In this video, I'll show you how to add a clickable link to your Instagram bio. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Before adding the link, make sure you have the URL you want to use. You can copy it from any app or browser. Now, go back to Instagram and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on Edit Profile. Here, you'll see different options. Don't add the link in the bio section because it won't be clickable. Instead, tap on Add Links, then tap on Add External Link. Now, paste your link into the URL field. After that, add a title for your link, like YouTube or My Website. Once done, tap the check mark in the top right corner. Now go back to your profile. You'll see your clickable link displayed on your profile. Anyone can tap on it and visit your link directly. And that's it. That's how you add a clickable link to your Instagram bio. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.